Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change status in Discord. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, tap on U icon on bottom right corner. So this is your profile picture. So here you can see edit status, tap on it, and here on this box simply tap on it, and here delete the previous status and type in your current status that you wanna save. Once you're done, tap on save button, or you can also set status duration. If you want to clear it tomorrow, you can select for clear tomorrow. If you want to clear it 4 hours, you can go for that. So in this way you can edit your status and tap on save button. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.